received these products from a company called Fox Flame. And I was sent them to give my honest review and to see what they're all about. From the looks online, they look pretty cool, and I'm actually really excited to be doing this. I'm liking that right there. That's what makes this thing quality. Because a lot of things I've been doing lately, especially solar, they're all made in China. And I could use a primary example. I did a review for a company from China, and they were solar landscape lighting that goes on your bush. And it's been 4 months, and the color of it is already changed. It's like almost like a, not all of them either, so it's like a purplish tint. And it's like right there, it's just like 4 months and it's already bad. Anyways, let's get into it. I think I'll start with this one first. So this is the Solar Flame Lantern. And let's see, open it up. You got your instructions right here. Put these down here for later. You got your, it's like a USB-C to USB 3.0 maybe. You have some screws. And you have, voila, the lantern. This is really cool. Yeah, this is very well built. It's heavy duty. It's a metal construction, so it's going to be around for a long time. And the painting is very nice, so it's pretty solid there. Okay, so if you unscrew this, this is a base. You could actually bolt it to your, I guess, a wood table or something, maybe up on your hill if you have like railroad ties. You're going for that Western look. So this is the base it mounts. You screw it in here, lock it in place, and it stays secure. So as you can see, it's kind of a little windy today, but in that case, this thing won't fall down because it's mounted, and that's a great idea. Let's flick this thing on. Oh yes. So I'm gonna review the rest of the lighting part when it gets dark. Solar. There's a cool little, looks like a lantern. 3 settings here. So it looks like to the right is your flickering flame. Center's off, and then to the left is like a solid light color. You also have this little rubber garment here that you could plug it up to keep the weather from getting inside the electronics here. You got your C charger, which I'm going to plug it in after I get off this review, and let it charge for a bit before I plug it in at night. Let's check out the next one. You want to check out the product? foxflame.com. And I'll also put the link in the description. All right, solar flame torch. Once again, instructions. I'm gonna put this under here. All right, so yeah, so since it's a torch, you also have, so we got that. All right, here's the torch right here. Same, stake. Yeah, same metal construction. Nice and heavy duty. There's your solar panel. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. So there it is. There's the light. How cool is that? A little computer chip in there. And from what I've been told, the flame has like over 100 different random programming, so the flame is completely authentic. So it's not something that is on a loop, so every like 10 seconds it loops back to the same exact flame, and that's what makes this thing so cool. Totally realistic. You'll never know that it's a bulb. Okay, there we go. All right, pretty self-explanatory here. So it looks like it's universal for the most part. This bad boy will go right here. Yeah. Look at that. Move this down here. So yeah, I'll stab this in the ground. What I find is when you put this in the ground, you should grab like a hammer and like a rebar or like a, some kind of like, not the stake, because although this is very good quality built, you don't want to take a hammer to this thing if your soil is really hard, because it could break it and then you're like screwed, or you'd have to go find another stake and stuff. But there's a button here. Just touch it all like during the day still here. You can see a little button there, so we'll see what the settings do. I could actually just take this off really fast. So here is the light itself. So don't be fooled when it's dark and it looks like a real flame. What? It is freaking awesome, and it adds the perfect ambiance that I'm looking for in my backyard, especially when I go on the spa at night. You're always looking for like a dim, chill environment, and I'm all about the like real flame look. Actually, easier to have these and safer. Doesn't feel hot. It looks real. It's amazing technology nowadays. And solar, easy maintenance. I am 100% in. 5 o'clock in the morning when I woke up, the lights were still on. So it gets a full charge. A full day of charging, these things will go all night long. And that is very impressive too. This is a great product. I'm happy to review it, and I give it 2 thumbs up. So if you're interested in this, which I'm sure you will, the link's in the description, and just go ahead and check it out. I'm sure they have other products to choose from, but right off the bat, these two, amazing. See you guys in the next video.